My top 3 exercises for quad growth. Number 1, hack squats. Hack squats are an amazing exercise for your quads because when done correctly, they allow you to get a huge stretch in your quads. The quads respond really well to being stretched under load. In order to get the most out of the movement, place your feet low on the platform and slowly squat down as deep as you can. I like to do these in the 10 to 15 rep range. Number 2, leg press. I love these because you can get a really good stretch on the quads, but it's also a movement that's not taxing on your lower back. If you want to get the most out of them, make sure to keep your feet low on the platform with your toes pointed slightly out and go as deep as you can without letting your lower back round. If you want to increase your chance of growing and decrease your chance of getting injured, then be sure to use an appropriate amount of weight. I like to do these in the 10 to 20 rep range. Number 3, squats. Squats fit my structure really well, so I always get a lot out of them. Every rep, I make sure to go as deep as I can without letting my lower back round. I also elevate my heels with plates or squat shoes so that I can get as much knee flexion or knee bend as possible. I like doing these in the 5 to 10 rep range. I want to make it clear that I'm not saying that these are the best exercises or the only ones you should be doing. I just personally really like them and I've always got a lot out of them, and so have my clients. Try them out for yourself and see what you think.